all stop having this conversation about Van Dijk being the greatest defender in the Premier League history? Can we all finish that? I agree, Van Dijk has been a good defender and he's probably had 2-3 years at max at his peak, really. But to be the greatest defender, you need to have longevity. And he's not had that sort of longevity. You look at what Rio Ferdinand's achieved. You look at what Nemanja Vidic has achieved. You look at what John Terry's achieved. Look at what Sol Campbell, in regards to the heights that they got to in their defending and the type of players they were defending against as well. Because there's no longer the Rooneys, the Drogbas, the Agueros. There's no longer them sort of strikers anymore. So I want to stop this conversation, and it shouldn't be an awkward conversation as well. Van Dijk is nowhere near that level. Yeah, he's a good defender. Slash that. He's a great defender, but he's not elite. The elite is what I call as Rio Ferdinand, John Terry, Nemanja Vidic, Sol Campbell, Tony Adams. That's the elite. Yab Stam. That's the absolute elite. Van Dijk is not at that level.